Do you think your spouse is hiding money during your divorce? You're not alone. In Texas, spouses often try to play financial hide and seek, moving money, concealing accounts, or downplaying income. But here's the good news. The law gives you powerful tools to uncover the truth. In today's video, I'll explain the discovery process in a Texas divorce and show how you can use it to find hidden assets. First, what exactly is discovery? In simple terms, discovery is the process of exchanging information and documents during a lawsuit. In a divorce, discovery allows each spouse to demand financial records, ask detailed written questions, and even take down sworn testimony, all with the force of the law behind it. So if your spouse doesn't voluntarily hand over bank statements or pay stubs, discovery is how you force them to do it. There are several discovery tools we use in Texas divorce cases. 1. Interrogatories. Written questions your spouse must answer under oath. For example, list all bank accounts you've used in the last 3 years. 2. Requests for production. Demands for documents like tax returns, bank statements, credit card bills, business ledgers, or real estate records. 3. Requests for disclosure and admissions. Forcing your spouse to admit or deny specific facts, such as whether they've transferred money to relatives. 4. Subpoenas. Direct requests sent to third parties like banks, employers, or even PayPal or Venmo. 5. Depositions. Live questioning of your spouse or other witnesses under oath, with a court reporter taking everything down. Each of these tools can reveal a piece of the puzzle. Used together, they can uncover almost any hidden asset. Let's talk about interrogatories. These are written questions that your spouse must answer truthfully under oath. For example, we might ask, list all accounts you hold in your name, jointly with another person, or for which you have signature authority. Or, identify all cryptocurrency wallets you own or control. If your spouse lies, that's perjury, and later, if we catch them in the lie with documents, it destroys their credibility with the judge. Next, request for production. This is where we demand the paper trail. We might ask for the last 3 years of bank statements, credit card records, retirement account statements, loan applications, and business financials. Even if your spouse thinks they've hidden an account, the transactions often show up somewhere else, like transfers out of the joint account into an unknown account, and that's the smoking gun. Now what if your spouse refuses to hand over records, or you suspect they didn't disclose everything? That's when we issue subpoenas. A subpoena goes straight to the source, the bank, the employer, the brokerage firm, even third-party payment platforms. And those institutions are legally required to turn over records, whether your spouse likes it or not. Subpoenas are especially powerful in cases involving self-employed spouses or small businesses. The spouse might claim the business is broke, but the bank records can tell a very different story. Depositions are another critical tool. This is where your lawyer sits across from your spouse under oath and asks direct questions. It's not just about the answers, it's also about catching inconsistencies. For example, your spouse might testify that they only have one bank account. Later, you show them a document from a subpoena proving that they had 3. That contradiction destroys their credibility at trial and strengthens your case. Now here's where things get serious. Lying or withholding documents in discovery has consequences. Judges in Texas can sanction a spouse who plays games. That could mean paying your attorney's fees, being fined, or even losing credibility so badly that the judge awards you a larger share of the estate. I'll give you a quick example. I once saw a case where a spouse was secretly wiring to an overseas account. He didn't disclose it in discovery, but a simple subpoena to the bank revealed the transfers. Not only did the judge give the innocent spouse credit for the hidden money, but the lying spouse was hit with attorney's fees for trying to conceal it. So here's the takeaway. If you suspect your spouse is hiding assets in a Texas divorce, you don't have to rely on guesswork. The discovery process gives you powerful legal tools to uncover the truth: interrogatories, requests for production, subpoenas, and depositions. The key is persistence and knowing how to use these tools effectively. The sooner you push for full financial disclosure, the better your chances of protecting your share of the marital estate. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button for more insights on Texas divorce law. And drop a comment if you'd like me to do a video on how to handle hidden business income in a divorce. That's a whole topic for itself.